Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. There's a two lift top the chest freezers, and let me give the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, about like a 71.5 inches long, and the overall depths include the front handles and back hinge is about like a 31 inches in total. And the overall heights, they are about like a 36 inches tall. As we can see, the units, they're having the two handlebars at the front. They come in with a lockers on it. So this top lift, you can access it individually and also can lock it for each of the side. And when we're looking down at the units, we can see they do have a controllers using the famous brands called Dexos. It's a really nice one. And on side of the units, they come in standard 110 plugs. And they also having the diagram, the stickers on the side, serial numbers for the faster service. And also they do have the stickers with EPL and SF sanitations on it. And when we're looking the behind of the units, we can see they have the exhaust fan, the covers for the compressor heat wins out, and also the hinge units on the side. And we can take a look closer to see the inner side. So when we open the units, we can see they have a huge space, and the inner side dimensions, it is about like a 25.5 inches deep, and the length of the units will be about like a 66 inches. And the wide, they are almost about like a 22 and 3/4 inches. Also, the manufacturer provided two baskets for this overall dimensions. It is about like a 10 inches wide and 21 inches long. And the depth of the basket is about like a 10 inches too. And also we have the water drain pipes over there. You can open it and clean the inside, like the water goes out from the behind. And on this side, they have a small stage. The compressor is covered at the bottoms. So everything inner side with a huge space, and we can access each door for this unit. It's pretty nice. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.